Welcome back to the channel, y'all. This is Leon from LKB Pythons coming at you with an update on the rack. So, as you can see, I've installed the heat tape. And I started from this top shelf, and the heat tape goes all the way down. And it ends on the second to bottom shelf. Now, as far as tubs go, I'm thinking about going with these. I can fit 5 on one shelf. The green tubs, I can fit 4 on one shelf. I don't know if I'm going to make a combo rack or not. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Now, I did not hook up the thermostat just yet. I'm trying to figure some stuff out. But yeah, the rack is coming along great. So yeah, I was, home yesterday watching football, pretty much in here all day. So yeah, this will be a hatchling rack. And I used aluminum foil tape to tape down the heat tape, as you guys can see. So yeah, man, definitely look forward to getting this rack hooked up. So that way when hatchlings do arrive, fingers crossed, I will be ready to roll. I did change up the room a little bit. I put my incubator over here. I got it rocking and rolling. And shout out to my man GP Snakes, Gashan. Thank you for the sticker. My Animal House, Mother Elfin Ball Pythons, and my man from Ridiculous Reptiles. Thank you guys for your stickers. By the way, if you guys want to do a sticker swap, just let me know. I will put all stickers on this incubator. So yeah, if you guys want to do a sticker swap, just let me know. As far as the collection goes, everybody ate yesterday, which was Sunday. Everybody but 2. This young lady, she didn't eat for me. She didn't eat for me. This is my het clown girl. I do believe she will be the first to lay. So fingers crossed I get some clowns. And this young girl didn't eat for me either. And this is my yellow belly female. So I will be doing a full clean on these guys probably Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm just trying to give them time to kind of digest their food. And I probably will be pairing up probably this coming weekend. So yeah, definitely looking forward to the breeding season, which I started pairing up my males and females a few months ago. I know for some people their breeding season is just now starting, but yeah, so definitely forward to looking forward to getting some eggs. But everybody did eat. It's my calico female that I paired up with a male that I will be revealing in the next video. So yeah, this is my pastel girl. 50% het pod that I bred to my male butter legless. And as you can see, I think she's growing pretty good. So yeah, everything's everything. This is just a short video to give you guys an update on the rack. The rack is coming along nicely. Like I said, I gotta hook up a thermostat. And with this Easy 2 thermostat, it says, if you can read there, each dial or side rather heats up to 300 watts. Now, a buddy of mine, me and him kind of put our heads together and did the wattage for this rack. So I should be okay with this rack. As far as hooking up this particular thermostat, I don't know quite, because I've never hooked this particular thermostat up to a rack of this size. Now I do have another one of these too. This is hooked up to my incubator. So yeah, and then I have another one there and another one there. And those are the Herbstat Easy ones. I've heard that they kind of upgraded to more of a Wi-Fi kind of thermostat to where you can hook it up with your phone and that sort of thing. But yeah, man, the rack is coming along great. I probably get home tonight and probably hook this up, heat it up real good, see what it's looking like. But yeah, as far as the heat tape goes, I did not cut this heat tape. I got this heat tape from Reptile Basics, and this heat tape is about, I want to say I ordered probably about 30 to 40 feet. Not terribly expensive. So yeah, and like I said, this is about the same size as a Freedom Breeder rack or ARS rack. So yeah, if you're working on a budget, never say never as far as your bigger racks is concerned. I mean, this whole rack, heat tape, thermostat, and all will probably run about, I want to say, about $500 or so, maybe a little bit more. So I mean, it's not expensive to make. I could put another level up here. I chose not to. But yeah, if I wanted to add another level, I could. I do have more heat tape for that, but I'm not that tall. So, and when I do have my hatchlings in this rack, I can see what's going on at eye level. But yeah, other than that, the rack is coming along very, very nicely. And like I said, comment down below and let me know what y'all think. Let me know y'all thoughts, good thoughts, bad thoughts, thoughts in between. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, man, it's early in the morning, so I was going to upload a video yesterday, but I kind of got caught up in watching some football after I finished this rack. So let me know what y'all think. I did upgrade the lighting in here. As you guys can see, it's a lot brighter. So yeah, while I was out yesterday getting supplies, I went ahead and picked up this Hyper Tough shop light. And it is LED. It is LED. I'm gonna get another one and probably put it over here somewhere. So yeah, while I was out yesterday, I picked that up, hooked that up, and so far so good. I did not like the light that was in this room when we got the house. It makes everything seems a little yellow or orange, so I just figured I'd kind of upgrade there. And yeah, I want to thank and appreciate y'all for taking the time out of y'all's day and watching my videos. I really, really appreciate it. Hopefully we can get them subscribers up, and I will try my best to have more content for you guys. So yeah, like I said, most of the time I'm in this room trying to figure out the next step, the next upgrade. So yeah, and this was it. So yeah, I look forward to it. I look forward to it. My next video will probably be my pairing video. I will probably pair up my males and females and show you guys what I'm working with this season. So yeah, I already paired everybody up at least once already. So, but yeah, but first things first, I'm a clean, and I did clean a few tubs in my last video. I kind of ran out of paper towels, so that is something I will have to pick up. So yeah, but other than that, man, just getting prepared for the winter. It is getting colder up here right now in my area, and I live in Southwest Virginia. Temperatures running at about between 55 and 65. It's been raining the past few days, so yeah, just trying to get prepared. I got my humidifier going, and it runs 24/7. I fill it up probably every 3 days, and that keeps the humidity high because it gets dry when it gets cold in my area. But anyway, I'm just blabbering on. But yeah, man, let me know what y'all think about the rack. And like I said, I appreciate everything you guys do as far as watching videos and giving me advice and everything else. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and subscribe. But yeah, man, this room's coming along pretty well. Like I said, we've been in the house about 5 or 6 months now. So yeah, I just figured I'd give a little update on the rack, kind of keep consistency. I'm gonna try to do a video probably every Sunday. There may be videos in between, but yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to hooking this rack up. So yeah, man, just let me know what you guys think down in the comments. My name is Leon from LKB Pythons. I see you guys in the next one.